Let's start the economics chapter number 2, people as resource, part 2. Story of Sakal and Vilas. Story of both Sakal and Vilas will help us to understand how investment in people can make them more productive. So first of all, we will see the story of Sakal. They were two friends, Vilas and Sakal, living in the same village, Simapur. Sakal was a 12 years old boy. His mother Sheila looked after domestic chores. His father Bhuta Chaudhary worked in an agricultural field. Sakal helped his mother in domestic chores. He also looked after his younger brother Jitu and sister Situ. His uncle Shyam had passed the matriculation examination but was sitting idle in the house as he had no job. Bhuta and Sheila were eager to teach Sakal. They forced him to join the village school, which he soon joined. He started studying and completed his higher secondary examination. His father persuaded him to continue his studies. He raised a loan for Sakal to study a vocational course in computers. Sakal was interested in study from the beginning. With great he completed his course. After some time, he got a job in a private firm. He even designed a new kind of software. This software helped him increase the sales of the firm. His boss acknowledged his service and rewarded him with a promotion. Now, next story of Vilas. Vilas was an 11 years old, re- residing in the same village as Sakal. Vilas' father Mahesh was a fisherman. His father passed away when he was only 2 years old. His mother Geeta sold fish to earn money to feed the family. She bought fish from the landowner's pond and sold it in the nearby mandi. She could earn only 20 to 30 rupees a day by selling fish. Vilas became a patient of arthritis. His mother could not afford to take him to the doctor. He could not go to school either. He was not interested in studies. He helped his mother in cooking and also looked after his younger brother Mohan. After some time, his mother fell sick and there was no one to look after her. There was no one in the family to support them. Vilas too was forced to sell fish in the same village. He, like his mother, earned only a meager income. So what is the observation given case in case study? Sakal went to school and Vilas did not. Sakal was physically strong and healthy. There was no need for him to visit the doctor frequently, while Vilas was a patient of arthritis. He lacked the means to visit the doctor. Sakal acquired a degree in computer programming and found a job in a private firm, while Vilas continued with the same work as his mother. He earned a meager income like his mother to support his family. In the case of Sakal, several years of education added to the quality of his labor. This enhanced his total productivity, which added to the growth of the nation's economy. This in turn paid off through salary or in some other form. In the case of Vilas, there was no education or healthcare in the earlier part of his life. He spent his life selling fish like his mother. Hence, he earns the same amount as unskilled labor. Investment in human resources can give high rates of return in futures. There are two situations, virtuous cycle and vicious cycle. India's large population has been considered a liability. However, it can become productive by investment in education and training. Educated parents are found to invest more heavily on the education of their children. They are also more aware of their children's need of nutrition and hygiene. A virtuous cycle is created in this case. Uneducated parents keep their children also uneducated, thus creating a vicious cycle. Country like Japan have invested heavily in human resource because they did not have adequate natural resources. They import the natural resources needed by the country. They have invested on people, especially in the field of education and health. These people have made efficient use of other resources like land and capital. Efficiency and technology evolved by people have made these countries develop. So student, I hope you understood till here. I will explain more topic of this chapter in next video.